everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 9, changing families, and this is the part 2. In this video we are going to see the solution from question number 6 up till question number 5 we have already completed in the first part of the video. So let's start. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Number 1. Kiran's younger sister has been born into the family. How will Kiran spend her day now? Answer. Kiran will spend her day by using baby talk with her baby sister to make her smile. She will play with the baby instead of going out to play and make the baby play with her. Number 2. Has anybody in your family moved to another village or city because of work? Answer. Yes, my uncle's son has had to go to Mumbai since his office is located in that city. Number 3. What kind of special food is cooked at wedding ceremony? Answer. For marriage of Uncle Mohanthar, mango puri, 2 vegetables, bhajiyas, puri, rotis, dal, rice, papad, salad, pickles, raita, etc. had been cooked. Next, question number 4. What kinds of songs and dances are performed at weddings? Answer. Famous wedding songs are sung at marriages of when bride is leaving her home and the groom's family. Friends and relatives perform modern dances on the way to the bride's home. Number 5. Since her father's transfer, what will Sumi have to do on getting admission to a new school? Answer. On getting admission to a new school, Sumi will have to make new friends, make new relations with school and class, and will have to adjust to new environment. Number 6. Who is the most educated person in your home? Answer. My father is the most educated person in my home. Number 7. Who is the least educated person in your home? Answer. My grandmother is the least educated person in my home. Number 8. How do you address the elders of your family? Answer. I address the elders of my family respectfully. Next, number 9. What do we learn from a family? Answer. We learn about unity, cooperation, and the feeling of collectiveness from our family. Respecting our elders and behaving in a loving manner is learned. Number 10. What is a joint family? Answer. The family is in which grandparents, parents, kaka kaki, brothers and sisters and cousins live together is known as a joint family. 11. What is a nuclear family? Answer. The family in which there are parents, 1 or 2 children is known as nuclear family. Next, number 12. What is the meaning of a child marriage? Answer. The marriageable ages for a boy 21 years and girl 18 years respectively. If someone gets married at an age younger than these fixed ages, then it is known as child marriage. Question number 7. Answer the following questions. Into that, number 1. If there is a small baby in the house, what type of changes will be seen? Answer. Point number 1. The elders of the house will have the added responsibility of looking after the baby. Number 2. A cradle will have to be arranged for the baby to sleep and rest. Number 3. Care has to be taken to ensure that there is no noise when the baby is sleeping. Number 4. Toys will have to be bought for the baby to play with. Next, number 2. Kiran's younger sister has been born into the family. What new work will her mother have to do now? Answer. Kiran's mother will have the increased responsibility to bathe and clean the baby, change its clothes from time to time again, make it sleep on time, and feed it well. Thus, the new work Kiran's mother will be the taking care of baby and its needs. Number 3. Dipali's cousin Kaka's son got married. What changes will be there in Dipali's family now? Answer. Due to Dipali's cousin's marriage, a new member has been added to her household. Dipali has a new sister-in-law. Dipali's new sister-in-law will help in many of the household chores. Dipali's aunt will get some relief from work. Next, number 4. When daughter gets married, what changes will there be in her family? Answer. When a girl gets married, all the people of her father's home miss her a lot. Due to their daughter going away, her parents may feel lonely. They will miss her for whatever work she used to do. The father himself will have to do whatever work the daughter used to do. Make correction in the spelling of work, it's WORK. Number 5. What special clothes do the bride and the bridegroom wear? Answer. The bridegroom wears a sherwani and a safa, or he wears a coat, trouser, a tie and a turban or safa on the head. The girl wears a panitar, a blouse and a petticoat. She wears a mold on her head. Next, question number 6. What did you see at the wedding that you had attended? Answer. Point number 1. There was a mandap for the wedding. Point number 2. There was a chauri in the center of the mandap. Number 3. On all the sides of the chauri, mattresses, rugs, chairs and sofas has been arranged. Number 4. There was a separate mandap for food. Number 5. The priest was chanting mantras and performing the rites. Number 6. The women of both sides were singing wedding songs. Number 7. Friends and relatives gave gifts to newly wedded couple. Point number 8. The food was arranged on a large table. Round table and chairs had been arranged at various places for the people to sit and have their meal. Next, number 7. What reasons can be there for changes in families? Answer. Some of the reasons are as follows. Number 1. When a family member has to leave the family for a job. Number 2. When the responsible member of the family passes away suddenly. Number 3. When the financial condition improves and the family goes to live in a big luxurious house. Number 8. Question number 8. Are there any such children in your neighborhood who had to drop out of school? Why? Answer. Yes, a boy Gopal stays next to me in my neighborhood. After his father's death, he had to go to work as a laborer to support his family. So he had to drop out of school in the middle of the year. In the same way, a girl named Asha had to drop out of school in the middle of the year to look after her baby brother because both her parents work as laborers. Next, difference between joint family and nuclear family. First, I am going to narrate you points of joint family. Point number 1. The family in which grandparents, parents, kaka kaki, brothers and sisters and cousins live together is known as joint family. Point number 2. There is no tension of work in a joint family. Number 3. Even if both husband and wife have jobs, there is no difficulty in a joint family. Next, nuclear family. Point number 1. The family in which there are parents and 1 or 2 children is known as nuclear family. Number 2. Workload and tension increases in a nuclear family. Number 3. In a nuclear family, if both the husbands and wife have jobs, children are not taken care of properly. Next we have question number 9. Draw a family tree of your present family in your notebook. Fill in the details. My present family tree. See, in this what you have to do, you have to write the name of the person asked. Okay, so in the first box you have to write the name of your grandfather, then grandmother's name, next father's name, mother's name, then on the right hand side uncles, which means kaka's name, then aunties, which means kaki name, and next my name, you have to write your name, then sister's name, then on the right hand side you have to write cousin's name male and cousin's name female. Okay, so here you have to fill the details of your family members. Next activity we have observe Keval's family tree given below. So this is a Keval's family tree. Grandfather, his name is Prem Shankar Bhai. Grandmother, her name is Kalpana Ben. Then we are given father. Father's name is Sunil Bhai. Mother's name is Sakhi Ben. Then uncle's name, or which means Kaka's name is Nirav Bhai. Aunt Kaki's name is Usha Ben. Sister is Priya. This is him himself, Keval. And then cousin is Ruchika. Now let's see the questions. Based on Keval's family tree, fill in the blanks given below. Number 1, Prem Shankar Bhai is Sunil Bhai's and Nirav Bhai's dash. Answer is father. Number 2, Kalpana Ben is Keval's dash. Answer is grandmother. Number 3, Usha Ben is related to Priya as her dash. Answer is aunt or kaki. Number 4, the relation between Ruchika and Prem Shankar Bhai is of dash. Answer is grandfather. Number 5, Keval will address Nirav Bhai as uncle or kaka. Next we have number 2, find out the names of a few other relatives from your parents and write them below. So here you have to, what you have to do, you have to write name of your family members. First uncles, which means mama's name, you have to write your mama's name. Then in the number 2, auntie's name, mommy's name. In the number 2 we have to write your mommy's name. Number 3, auntie, Masi's name. In the number 3 you have to write your Masi's name. Then number 4, uncle's Masa's name. Here you have to write your Masa's name. Number 5, auntie's, which means Foi's name. In the number 5 you have to write your Foi's name. Then number 6, uncle's, which means Fufa's name. You have to write Fufa's name, which means Foi's husband. Okay, so you have to do this question yourself, since everyone's mamas, mommies, masis and masas, everyone's name differs. Okay, then next we have HOTS questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1, which of the following pair is included in my family? Options: A, mama mami, B, masa masi, C, mummy papa, D, Foi Fufa. Answer is C, mummy papa. Number 2, how is your grandfather's younger brother related to your father? Options: A, he is my father's grandfather. B, he is my father's kaka. C, he is my father's mama. D, he is my father's masa. Answer is B, he is my father's kaka. Number 3, your mother's parents, your grandparents have one son and two daughters. So how is your mama's sister related? Option A, she can be my mother. B, she can be my Foi. C, she can be my mommy. D, she can be my mother or masi. Answer is D, she can be my mother or masi. So here we complete the solution of chapter number 9, changing families. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.